Mula sa Meralco, isang bright idea.
Tulong kay Mama na gawing ligtas ang kusina para malayo sa pahamak ang buong pamilya.
Liwanag at kaalaman para sa mga ilaw ng tahanan. Hatid sa inyo ng Meralco.
With Crispy Fry, more and more kids are enjoying the crisply irresistible taste of crispy fried chicken. Enjoy it with fish too. Crispy Fry.
Solen's Choice is now the hottest whitening toothpaste in the Philippines. Colgate Optic White Toothpaste with whitening accelerators to make your teeth one shade whiter after 1 week.
I believe in Optic White.
Colgate Optic White.
Sa new Voice Combo Choco, lamang ka. Chocolate your wafers within now Chocofied crackers. Voice Combo Choco, lamang ka.
Conceal or whiten spots? Now you don't have to choose. Discover the first ever BB Plus cream from Pond's. Conceal spots instantly and whiten skin from within for instantly spotless, radiant skin.
Sebo na naiwan sa mga gamit sa kusina, pinamumugaran ng mga bakterya.
Bacteria is everywhere. Magmumultiply. Diyan nangyayari yung mga cross-contaminations or cross-infections.
Alamin ang detalye mamaya sa Pamilya On Guard, Cebulok Expose.
Pimple? Look closer. Skin germs, so don't compromise on skin germ protection. Safeguard Pink, now with aloe. Unlike beauty soaps, it gives 24-hour protection. Safeguard Pink, now with aloe.
Do you get super conscious about many oil and acne problems? From the Pond's Institute, new Pond's Acne Clear White 10-in-1 Facial Wash fights 10 oil and acne problems all at once, plus whiten skin. New Pond's Acne Clear White Facial Wash.